Are you tired of feeling like your money just disappears? Like you're constantly playing catch up, never quite getting ahead? What if I told you there's a simple, almost effortless way to start building serious wealth without even feeling like you're sacrificing anything? For most of us, money management feels like a chore. It's budgeting, it's tracking expenses, it's complex investment strategies that make your head spin. We know we should be saving, we should be investing, but life gets in the way. We have bills, we have unexpected expenses, and sometimes, frankly, we just want to enjoy our hard-earned cash. This is the reality for millions of people around the world, caught in a cycle of earning and spending, with little to show for it in the long run. The dream of financial freedom, of a comfortable retirement, of simply not stressing about every penny, often feels like a distant fantasy. The truth is, traditional financial advice, while well-intentioned, often overlooks the psychological hurdles we face when it comes to money. We're not always rational beings. We're driven by emotions, by instant gratification, and by the sheer overwhelm of trying to navigate a complex financial landscape. This is where the magic of small, consistent actions comes into play, and it's precisely where an app like Acorns shines. It doesn't ask you to be a financial wizard, it asks you to embrace simplicity and consistency. Think about it, how many times have you been advised to cut back on your lattes or cook at home more? While those are valid tips for saving, they often feel restrictive and lead to a sense of deprivation. Acorns takes a different approach. It focuses on automation and the power of tiny, almost imperceptible contributions that add up to something significant over time. It's about building habits that are so ingrained, so frictionless, that you barely notice them happening. And that, my friends, is the secret sauce to long-term financial success. It's not about grand gestures, it's about the relentless accumulation of small, smart decisions. So, how exactly does Acorns achieve this? It's built on a few core principles that tap into human psychology and make saving and investing feel less like a burden and more like an effortless side effect of your everyday life. First, and perhaps most revolutionary, is the concept of roundups. This is where the spare change magic happens. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.25. Acorns automatically rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, in this case, $4, and invests the difference, 75 cents, into your investment portfolio. You hardly notice the 75 cents missing, but over time, these small amounts accumulate. Think about how many times a day you make small purchases. Each of those can become a tiny contribution to your financial future. It's like finding money you didn't even know you had. This feature is brilliant because it leverages existing spending habits rather than requiring you to create new, often painful, saving habits from scratch. It takes the concept of a piggy bank and supercharges it with the power of compounding. This brings us to the next crucial element, automation and consistency. Acorns is designed to be set it and forget it. Once you link your accounts and set up your roundups, it works in the background, consistently investing your spare change. This consistency is vital for building wealth. We often hear about the power of compound interest, and roundups are a perfect example of this in action. Even small amounts, invested regularly over a long period, can grow exponentially. It's the snowball effect. A small snowball rolling down a hill gathers more snow and gets bigger and bigger. Your investments do the same. This automation removes the need for willpower or discipline on your part for every single transaction. It bypasses the mental fatigue that often accompanies manual saving. Then there's the accessibility of investing for everyone. For many, the world of investing feels intimidating, exclusive, and complex. Jargon like ETFs, mutual funds, and diversification can be enough to deter even the most financially curious individual. Acorns simplifies this dramatically. It offers a range of diversified portfolios, built by experts, based on your risk tolerance. You don't need to pick individual stocks or analyze market trends. You simply choose a portfolio that aligns with your comfort level, conservative, moderate, aggressive, and Acorns does the rest. This democratizes investing, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial literacy or starting capital. You can start investing with just a few dollars, breaking down the barrier to entry that often prevents people from taking that first crucial step. Furthermore, Acorns helps foster a pay-yourself-first mindset, even if you don't realize it. While roundups are the star, Acorns also allows for recurring deposits. You can set up a weekly or monthly transfer of any amount you choose directly into your investment account. This is a classic financial principle: treat your savings and investments like a non-negotiable bill. By automating these transfers, you prioritize your future self, ensuring that a portion of your income is always allocated for growth before you have a chance to spend it. This habit, once ingrained, is one of the most powerful financial habits you can develop. It flips the script from what's left over after I spend to what am I putting aside first. Beyond the core investing features, Acorns also offers valuable tools for financial education. While it simplifies investing, it doesn't leave you in the dark. The app provides articles, tips, and insights on various financial topics, helping you gradually build your financial literacy. It's not about overwhelming you with complex information, but rather providing bite-sized, digestible content that empowers you to make more informed decisions over time. This continuous learning component is crucial, as the more you understand about money, the more confident and proactive you'll become. It's like having a friendly financial advisor in your pocket, offering gentle nudges and valuable insights. Another often overlooked benefit is the mental shift towards abundance. When you see your Acorns balance steadily growing, even if it's in small increments, it creates a positive feedback loop. It shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Instead of feeling like you're constantly struggling to save, you start to see tangible proof that you are building wealth. This psychological boost can be incredibly motivating and encourages you to continue with your good habits, and perhaps even seek out additional ways to save and invest. It transforms saving from a chore into a rewarding experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.